Good evening, everyone. This is Compost Chicken Queens Plus. In this case, plus, I am dismantling my X-Pole. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, an X-Pole. These are excellent quality, professional, actual, real professional pole dancers use X-Pole. There are many permutations. This one is, I bought this one over 10 years ago, I think closer to 15 years ago. Do get the brass. Brass actually has a natural antimicrobial property that stainless steel, which is what this is, does not have. Plus, if you have any kind of sweaty hand problems, brass sticks better. It's probably why they have brass poles in fire departments. So, anyways, this one's stainless steel. I know it was cheaper, but do save up the extra money and get yourself a brass pole for those reasons. I don't have the super sweaty hand problem anymore. It was a very quick chiropractic adjustment which solved a lifetime of sweaty hands and sweaty feet that even happened in the winter. You know, nothing more maddening than having cold hands and feet and they're sweating all the time. But he said, oh, that's a simple little adjustment, and he clicked and no more sweaty hands all the time and feet. Anyways, so I am going to dismantle my X-Pole. It's been in the basement for a while. And where am I going to put this? Oh, we'll put it up on my nephew's cute little... I'm going to turn the camera over. My nephew's... cute little nephews. Oh, don't tell me this ridiculous phone doesn't have a flip over. No, it doesn't. Okay, so I guess I can't watch the video while I'm taping it. So I'm going to have to guess what's going on. This is not my Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. This is a much cheaper one that is a temporary replacement while I decide whether to buy another exact same one, Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, because I really like the features in it. I'm not crazy about the ones that came after. Let's see if I can see. Oh boy, this is going to be fun. Yeah, I was expecting to be able to turn the phone over. This is how much I use this phone, because I really don't like it that much. So I will... guess I'll try to do it one-handed. It's possible. I have pre-loosened the sections. They come with... the kit comes with these rods that help you loosen them. I kept all the cardboard cones. I figured, why subject your very expensive pole to the inside of this when you can have it nicely in the tubes. But to demonstrate, you stick that down in there, you find the other hole. It's going to be so much fun with no hands. Oh, darn, I hate this phone. There. Goes in like that, and it basically is like a wrench. I'm going to take my phone out of the case so it's less annoying.